Unraveling the Magic. Understanding Magically Inclined. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, magically inclined. This phrase might seem a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we're here to unravel its magic together. Whether you're a language learner or just someone curious about English expressions, this video is for you. At its core, magically inclined refers to someone who has a natural tendency, interest, or talent towards magical or mystical things. This can mean actual magic, in a fantasy or fictional context, or it can be used metaphorically to describe someone with a knack for making things happen as if by magic. In everyday language, saying someone is magically inclined might mean they're particularly good at something that seems almost magical to others, because of how effortlessly they perform or understand it. It's not just about magic in the literal sense. It's about having an innate ability or deep interest in a specific area. Let's put magically inclined into some context with examples. In literature, a character in a book might be described as magically inclined if they possess magical abilities or have a deep interest in the arcane arts. In everyday life, if a friend is exceptionally good at solving complex problems or creating beautiful art, you might say they are magically inclined towards problem-solving or art. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, highlighting someone's special skills or interests as if they possess a touch of magic. Using magically inclined in your own speech or writing can add a layer of enchantment and intrigue. Here are some tips. Be mindful of the context. Use it in situations where there's a clear element of skill, talent, or interest that seems extraordinary. Combine with descriptive examples. To clarify your meaning, pair it with examples of the person's abilities or interests. Play with creativity. This expression allows for creative use, so feel free to use it in imaginative and figurative ways to add color to your language. We hope this exploration into the meaning of magically inclined has added a little bit of magic to your day in your language learning journey. Remember, English is a language rich with expressions and idioms that paint the world in vibrant colors. Magically inclined is just one example of how expressive and imaginative English can be. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.